Welcome to the lesson on multiplying integers rules. I'd like to introduce you to a friend of mine. Sometimes my friend is happy, but sometimes my friend is sad. I hope this lesson on multiplying integers makes you not sad, which means you might be happy. I hope this lesson on multiplying integers makes you not happy. Well, if you're not happy, that you can't have a smile on your face, right? Well, you might, but you'll be faking it. So sometimes you got to fake it till you make it. But anyway, that's this whole nother story. What I'm talking about here is you might be sad because you're not happy. What if you're not happy? That means you're not this stuff here. So we got to take that X away, which means you might be happy, right? So, but to be clear, I hope this lesson on multiplying integers makes you happy because I'm not happy till you're not happy. Oh, wait, that means you'd be not happy. Wait a second. What I meant to say is I'm not happy till you're not happy, which means you could be happy, but you might be sad. Either way, I'm just happy to be here, and I'm just happy that you're here. So let's begin. This multiplying integers rules is brought to you by Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, and Rule 4. Let's begin with Rule 1. A positive times a positive is, well, what kind of integer will we have? Will it be a positive integer or a negative integer? What we're really doing here is adding groups of positives. Okay, so like 3 times 2. Well, this is nothing new. Oh, you've already done stuff like this. At least I hope you have. Oh my goodness. So it's really a positive 3 times a positive 2 to be, more precise. But we don't always put those in there because, that's a lot of writing that we wouldn't just assume. If it's not there, by default, it's positive. If it doesn't say a negative, it's positive. Okay, so this is really adding. Now, I just told you that this is positive and not adding. The only thing here that's the operation is multiplying. But the only reason I'm really kind of making you think of this as adding because it's going to help you understand conceptually what's going on here. So let's take a look. Let's dive in. So we're adding 3 groups of. Now we see of. That's, oh, by the way, that dot means multiply. Yeah, that probably should have told you that to begin with. I think we already discussed that, but let's just drive the point home even further because you have to repeat to remember, and remember to, what was it? Oh yeah, repeat. Okay, so here we go. Adding 3 groups of positive 2's. That looks like this. There's 2, there's another group of 2 positives, and here's a third group of 2 positives, which equals a total of, boom, 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 6. 6 what though? Positive or negative? Positive! Oh, there's my boy Brutus and Sloopy, his wingman. Are you positive, Daddy? Why, yes, I always have a positive attitude. Oh, that's not what I meant. I meant, are you positive? The answer is positive integer. uh, that's a really good Scooby-Doo imitation you got there, Brutus. But whoa, take it easy. Because a positive times a positive is always, wait for it, awkward pause. Get it? Pausative. Pause. Brutus has pause. Okay. um, okay. Why the big pause? Well, I was born this way. All right. That's what Brutus said. I guess he has a little pause actually. Sloopy has bigger pauses. Okay. Move on. And now on to the number line. Let's see what that looks like. A group of 2 plus another group of 2 positives plus another group of 2 positives. Of course, you can do it on the number line as well. What about this one? Oh, wait, here we're reviewing a positive times a positive is really adding groups of positives, which is a positive always, right? So the first rule of multiplying integers, you already kind of know that. All right, so there it is. Oh, look at this. You got positive, positive in the i's. That means you got a positive nose. Positive, there's your I, integer, integer. And then, well, I know I is actually spelled with an E, but it sounds like, when you say the word I. So anyway, integer starts with I. The point is, if you have 2 positives and you multiply them, you're end up with a positive every single time. So that's the rule. Whoa, think about it. If you add positives to your life, that makes you happy. If I add positive things to my life, it makes me happy. Smile. All right. What about this one? A positive and a negative. If you take a positive and multiply it by a negative, what do you think you'll get?